Hello and welcome to the BullSync tutorial on how to manage forms under an organization's page. First, you will need to select which organization you would like to manage the forms under. It is important to note that you can only edit or manage these forms if you're an administrator of the organization. Once you get to your organization's homepage, you will then need to select Forms on the dashboard. Here is a list of all the forms submissions submitted under this organization. As you can see, there are several, some that have been published and some that are unpublished. You can create any type of form. Let's just say you're having an event and you want to create a waiver for members to submit before coming to the event. You can create that form here. In order to do that, go ahead and select Create a Form. You will need to fill out the form, so you'll enter a form name. Put a description of what that form is, and you can edit it similar to how you edit Microsoft Word. And once you created that description, you can go ahead and create a page. So page 1 is basically question 1. What would you like members to know or fill out for your form? You can enter a page name and then add question or add text block. And in order to add a question, it will then prompt you to select an element builder. It can be a single line, multiple line text entry, multiple choice. You can upload something or have additional elements. It's to your discretion what you would like to do with your form, but you can create that form here. Once finished, you will then select publish, or you can save if you want to finish it at another time. That's how you create a form. Let's show you what happens or what your form will look like and what you can do with that form. As you can see on this form's home page, you can see all submissions and the dates and who submitted them. And if you want, you can also view more submissions here. We're going to jump to advisor approval form. This form was created for organizations to then submit to their advisor for them to approve the organization. As you can see, here are the forms that have been submitted. These are pending, meaning that we have not reviewed them and they have not been approved. To the left, you can see which forms have been approved, denied, deferred, or how many forms are pending. In order to look at that form and then approve, deny, or penned, you would need to select. You can look at the submission. You can download that form, print, or you can approve it if it has met the requirements submitted for that form. You can also look at the results of the form. The following data is based off of 602 submissions. Here you can see how many individuals selected yes and how many selected no. You can compare using analytics for the total responses. And you can also do further action to these forms. If you wanted to publish a message, you can do that here. You can, if you approve the form, you can send a message to those that you approved, deferred, or denied. And you can also go a little further to update users to submit the form. You can select any organization you want to and send a message to those individuals. You can delete a form, duplicate, or edit if there is something wrong with your form, or you can export the information. This is how to manage your forms using BullSync. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to Center for Student Involvement, or you can go to your BullSync homepage, scroll down, and select BullSync Help Desk here.